Alrighty, what's good, y'all? What's good, fam, man? It's not Q back with another simulation video. I'm messing up right now because I'm kind of excited to make this, but I kind of had got an idea off of my last video, which I did a fantasy rebuild with the Hornets. And, I was a randomized decision, and it went pretty well. I do think y'all should check it out because, man, it was a weird ending. I don't know if it was like telling me maybe you should, whatever, but you should check it out. It's on my page. I just posted it the other day, but today I'm gonna actually use Toronto, and it's gonna be a fantasy draft, but I switched it up a little bit. And what I'm gonna do with this team this time, it will be a fantasy draft. But I am going to do my best to build the Raptors the same way they are in real life, if that makes sense. And that's just building a team where the system is ran really well. And with Toronto, they don't have any necessary superstars. They got great players. I mean, Pascal Siakam may be a superstar. We just got to see where they go. We know what Kyle Lowry brings. He's a great player. And Fred VanVleet, Fred VanVleet is like, I don't know, he's definitely one of my favorite point guards in the league, simply because, man, he brings something that most people can't bring. He's just, he's not a big size point guard, but I mean, he's a walking bucket. He get to the rim how he wants. He knows his shots. Very smart point guard. So yeah, I feel like Raptors is the type of team where their system serves them really good, but at the same time, the quote defense wins championships can be applied to them, because I do think their defense is so well. Just looking at how they were against Milwaukee last year. Obviously they had Kawhi on their team too, but I mean, they planned so well. They had so much good schemes for him that it made it really tough. They almost made him look like he wasn't that good. And we all know Giannis is a monster, but you know, defense wins championship. Okay, so 1 second, I think something happened there. They didn't let me do the fantasy draft. I don't kind of have an idea of who I'm going to get, but I do know I want to build a team similar to the Raptors. It's going to be a 2-season rebuild, and we just going to take it from there. Alrighty, so obviously I don't know what just happened there. I was trying to do that, but I think it was glitching a little bit. But all right, so here we go. Alrighty, so I have the Raptors. Yes, we don't have a super low pick, so y'all already know who I'm going with, man. Joel Embiid, come to Toronto, man. Come to Toronto. We finna do this right. Because I had a high pick that time, I want to make it fair, so now I have a lower pick. But Kyle Lowry, welcome back. And my thing is, I want to build this team. I want to build them really well. Uh, let's see who I want. I don't want to pick anything that I feel like I can get later. So I actually got Kyle Lowry and Van Vliet. Keep messing that up. Van Vliet. I got him back on the team. Obviously, those are kind of Toronto players, but those are the farthest I'm gonna go as far as getting them. Marcus Smart. Uh, I won't be drafting anybody else. I'm gonna build them my own way, as in how they're built. So far so good. We gonna bring Seth Curry over here. He can really stretch the floor, man. Great jump shooter. Big Zebo, we gonna take you. Oh, how did I miss Kevin Huerter like that, man? I would have definitely got him if I'd have knew he was there. We may try to make that trade though. So I got Denzel. James Johnson. Get PJ. Take Kyle Anderson, man. I know he's probably not like the most athletic or the most prolific scorer or anything like that, but he definitely is a high IQ player, so you never can go wrong with that. Let's go with Mo Hart. We probably need some centers. Kyle O'Quinn. Hey, there's some sleepers getting picked too that I'm like, wow, I didn't even know that was in the draft. Alrighty, and it looks like we're about done. Last round. Let's get this started, man. I am very satisfied with the team I have, and I'm definitely aiming for 2 for 2. It's not something that I know is very possible. Let's see how it plays out. Take Crows out. Alrighty, so first thing, let me take off the chemistry and the injuries. Even with the chemistry option off, it still depends on how the team play together. So I mean, it doesn't really too much changes too much. Okay, I think I actually like my starters. We got Zebo starting. I actually want James Johnson starting. Yeah, we can keep Kyle Anderson at the 3. Give him 15. Okay, so yeah, this looks pretty good. Give him about 22. 17 for the bench mob. Man, this is so hard to decide. Do I want to keep Zebo playing? Or do I want to get Tucker out there? But Tucker offers so much on the defensive side, man. We'll see how this plays out. I really do think Zach Randolph a baller, though. That's why. So, even with him being older now, he still balls out on 2K. We know Joel Embiid is the guy here. It's no secret. Alrighty, so I just we'll keep him there. Give 18 to the bench mob. 9-man rotation. And we good to go. Let's get this simulated, see how well we do. Shoot the ball a lot better. So let me see how he actually doing. 6. Give him more minutes. James Johnson actually playing really well out there. Zebo, you got some minutes, man. Kyle Anderson, a good player too. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do with James Johnson. If I have to make a decision to put him back in a rotation, that will be done. But I'm gonna run with this. We good to go, man. Alrighty, so we 26 and 25. I mean, that's not bad. It has to be something that we can improve, though. All right, so Steph Curry. All right, so actually gonna trade Van Vliet, and the only reason I am is because I really didn't want this Raptors team with too many members. Kyle Lowry is good, but I'm gonna see if I can get a good trade off. So we gonna get Aaron Gordon, and then just take down Zebo minutes. All right, so Curry is now out 2. Starting. I'm gonna keep Marcus Smart as the 6th man. I don't want Denzel Washington playing too much. I said Denzel Washington. Wow. I don't want Denzel Valentine playing a lot of minutes, man. I'm gonna give Pat Connaughton a little bit more. Actually, I want Zebo playing. $15 to $15 for Connaughton and Zebo. And I'm gonna switch Connaughton at the point guard too. All right, and we gonna sim through. I'm not gonna make any more changes after this. So hopefully this season we finish out real strong. Alrighty, so the season is winding down. We are definitely doing really well. We at 40 and 31 right now, over 500. And I just hope we keep that momentum going into the playoffs, because I smell a ring, man. A ring coming to Toronto again. Alrighty, man. And we actually finished at 47-35. 12 more wins than our losses. Great. Luka went to Cleveland. Wow. This man get MVP almost every time. He got it last video too. Ja Morant Rookie of the Year. Those like it's kind of obvious at this point. Six man Devontae Graham. That's a good selection. Kawhi at the Pelicans, Defensive Player of the Year. MIP to Luka Doncic. I wonder if this dude. I bet you Doc Rivers probably the Cavaliers coach. Alrighty, so NBA, we got Mr. Embiid up there. I don't know how I didn't get MVP, man. Look at how, I mean, I understand Luka is good, but look at this man. 28, 14 boards, 2 assists, a steal, about 3 blocks, 51% field goal percentage, 35% three-point percentage, 80% from the line. I don't know, man. Maybe I'm biased, but I know we got some defensive selections. So we had Embiid on the second team. I'm actually check out the team to see how we did. Obviously, y'all know what Embiid did. Kyle Lowry stepped it up, 18 points. Marcus Smart, all-around guard. Steph Curry balled out. He didn't win MIP though, man. Shaking my head. Yeah, I know you upset, Denzel Valentine, but hey. All right, so for the playoffs, I'm actually gonna change this up a little bit. Taking Pat Connaughton out, giving Zebo more minutes. I'm actually not gonna play PJ in the playoffs. I know that sounds crazy, but we got so many defensive players on here that we just need a score at this rate. Alrighty, so our first round matchup is against the Nets. I got us winning this. Let's see. And there you have it. Eliminated first round. That's crazy. So I got to make a few moves in the off season because yeah, next season I'm not gonna be happy with another loss. First round exit, man, that's crazy. Let's see who actually win. Of course, it may be Luka Doncic because you know 2K love Luka. Oh, he actually lost. He actually lost 3-4. They actually went to 7. The team actually beat us first round. Oh, okay. They had Giannis over there. Let's see who they had. Giannis, Aldridge, Dragic. All right, so pretty solid team. Pretty solid team. So let's go down to staff signing. We always gonna rock with Nick Nurse. I mean, that's almost wrapped. This tradition right there. Let's see what draft pick we got. We got a 24th. Alrighty, so I'm actually gonna keep it. See what we can get at the 24th. Isaac Okoro. I don't even gotta think about that. Defensive lockdown right there. I'm gonna pick up Lamar Stevens too. No team player options. Yeah, we not gonna give them any offers. Free agency. Let's see what we got here. Of course, AD. So we just gonna add a few players that can make us better. They may not all play, of course, but in case we need them. Bring Myers Leonard over here. I'll take Ian Mahimi. Yeah, we ain't. Peace out, y'all boys, man. May try to bring back Mo Hart or Pat Connaughton. Yeah, bring back Pat Connaughton. Alrighty, so that's the team we gonna rock with. Release everybody else. We should be good to go. Alrighty, so I got my 14 players. This is our second season, man. I'm definitely looking to get that ring. I can't just keep losing like this. How about the Pat Bev and Dame Lillard thing that just happened right now with Pat Beverly trolling him for missing the clutch free throw shots? That's Pat Bev in the flesh, man. Y'all know he a pest, man. A true pest. Alrighty, so 2021 draft class, I got a lot of good players in it. But obviously we won't be able to see that one this time because it is a 2 season, but future videos will showcase that talent in that class. Yeah, I'm gonna get a little bit more athleticism for I don't even know who else I really wanna. I'm gonna do top potential because I mean everybody else kind of. He may actually start this season too. That's how good of a defensive player he actually can shoot real well too. He was playing with the with Sharif Cooper them and stuff in high school, so he come from like a good basketball programs. This time, I mean, let's see if we can move a few minutes. Let PJ get some minutes. 10-man rotation. Alrighty, and that's who we gonna start the season with. Let's see how this goes. Alrighty, so we 2-6 here. I know this sounds crazy, but I'm actually gonna see what Joel Embiid worth on the market. Let me see. So we gonna make a huge trade here. Nah, I can't do that. How much more? Alrighty, so this I think I can make this work, man. I'm gonna get them every pick they want. And we got them. So I made a huge change. I almost got rid of Embiid. Lucky I thought about that. I think I would regret that. And that wouldn't happen in real life. Just for the sake of the sim, we needed something new. So we got Russell here. We know he's starting. It's gonna be our unit right here, him and Embiid. Yeah, I'm gonna put Curry at the starter, of course. Still the starter. Dang, Kyle Anderson, man. We giving you all these minutes and you not. I'm starting a Caro, man. Keep him at 22 because he that type of player you want on the court, man. He can do almost everything. Not super skilled at just one thing. He's just all around gonna do whatever you need him to do on the court. So yeah. So yeah, we're gonna have to give Miles Leonard a lot more. He's at the 4. Let me see how you looking right here. Yeah, nah, he gonna bring us some minutes for Pat Connaughton. And yeah. Pat Connaughton, PJ, that's gonna be our unit right there. 28 minutes. All right, and we good to go. We got Russell now, man. This could be really good or really bad, but I think it's gonna be really good. Let's simulate, see how this goes. Alrighty, so yeah, I'm making a few changes just to change up the flow of the team. 24 and 22, that's not good. We still over 500, but yeah, I got to make the best changes to give us that chance to win this year. So alrighty, so today is the trade deadline. We 27 and 24. Russell love it here. Yeah, we may have to make a trade though. It's just something about it's not working, man. It's not working. I'm not gonna force the trade, but we gotta do something different here. You see, there's no real trades here. Really no good trades I'm seeing here. With it being, like the fantasy draft, it's kind of different here. But yeah. So we gonna rock with Russell and Embiid because I'm not gonna force a trade when I have two good players. So let's see how they finish out. Alrighty, so the season winding up. We still over 500. It's not great. 40 and 34 right now. Let's see how we finish up. Come on, Toronto, man. We gotta execute. We have to execute. Can this Russ and Embiid duo be a championship team? Or will we have the same fate as before, man? I don't want the same fate as before. So we locked in. We locked in, Toronto. Let's get this win. I'm a little hyped right now, my fault, but yeah, I need us to get this ring because I can't keep losing like this, man. Once again, you got Luka at the MVP, a whole triple dub, man. Ty Jerome got Rookie of the Year. Wow. Never saw this before. That was surprising. Trey Burke, Sixth Man of the Year. Didn't see that neither. Kawhi Leonard, Defensive Player of the Year again. Mo Bamba, MIP, Most Improved Player. John Beilein, that's Luka Doncic's coach. Yeah, that's the Cavs coach. So yeah, he got Coach of the Year. Let's see if we made any y'all NBA teams. Of course, Embiid. Russell didn't make it though. So Embiid made it. No Russ. know Embiid made this too. Defensive Player of the Year again. Defensive team, and there we go. Let me look at the team real quick, see how we doing for the year. Embiid stats dropped a little bit. That's because we got Russ on the team. His stats actually went up from prior year. Marcus Smart still around the same. Same for Seth. Myers okay. What I told y'all about this rookie, man. Look at these stats. Not the best field goal percentage. He's a rookie, so I mean he's still learning the game, but about 13 points, 6 rebounds. That's real good. Stepping it up. Pat Connaughton, alright. PJ, alright. So I mean, we against the Magic right now. We lost to this team a lot in the season, so man, we need to redeem ourselves in this playoffs. And there we have it, man. Once again, lost in the first round to the Magic. Let's see who they got on their team. James Harden, gosh. They got James Harden, Jamal Murray. I'm actually surprised this team actually good like that. They made it work with got about 3 good scorers right here and a good supporting cast. I do think with us, with the Raptors, man, I don't know. This duo doesn't work right here with Embiid and Russell. But yeah, I do think we just didn't get a flow, or we don't have like enough support. Cause man, I did expect them to get to the finals this year, but we didn't make it. So that's for next time. I'm coming back with a team, and we gonna win. Like, I'm not gonna keep letting us lose like this. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, leave feedback. Let me know if y'all have any ideas. Leave them in the comments. I'm definitely gonna keep videos coming at y'all, man. And I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one.